Hello everyone, it's Monica and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I create a shaped card for Holy Communion. So to create this card base, as you can see, I don't know if you've seen it before, I use this Tonic Studio cutting die. This one is basically for making albums, and there are different sets as well, but this one is a basic set. It's a memory book maker. It has 10 cutting dies, all the same but just different sizes, to create a beautiful album. But I use those dies to create my shaped card. I love that shape and I think it looks really nice. Anyway, stay till the end so you will see if you like it or not. So I created my card base. I cut mat and layer to go with that, and that paper comes from Altery Art paper collection called Holy Communion. As you can see, that's the paper over here. And I prepared also myself this doily, the oval shape, and I cut those leaves, and which I'm going to color. As you can see, I colored a few of them with this grasshopper water reactive ink from Crafter's Companion. It's a Spectrum Noir brand. I cut out those pieces from this cutting die. It's a Polish brand cutting die. I've got this girl and I've got a boy from the same brand. So you cut out different pieces and from different colors, and that's why I'm going to speed up the video so you don't have to watch me putting that girl together. To cut out the sentiment, it's a First Holy Communion and the name of that girl. I use that cutting die. It's again from Polish brand. I can't remember the name now, but they just discontinued. They closed down the shop, and I do have this cutting die, and I use this one very often. What else? I think that's it. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to speed up the video, and at the end you will see the finished card, which will fit this beautiful box. And this box I get from eBay, and I will try to link every single product so you can check it out if you are interested. So now I'm going to speed up the video so you can see how nicely you can create a shaped card with any shaped cutting die and other elements. So as you can see, I finished the card. The card is in the box, looks really pretty in that box with a acetate window. Probably you've seen me using those boxes multiple times before. I'm going to link the seller. I think the seller is on eBay, so you can check it out. And that's the card. Looks really pretty in that box. I hope you like it, and it has lots of layers. As you can see, I use a lot of 3D foam pads to create beautiful layers and beautiful composition. And I like the colors. The colors are quite neutral, light colors, and I think it's really suitable for this special occasion. So let me know, what do you think about it? Would you actually play with this kind of cutting die which has a lot of elements? What do you think about this card, and what do you think about this video? Did you like it or not? So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.